What excites me most about this event is the passion and energy and enthusiasm that people who are interested in rare disease science and research have towards learning from one another, towards getting in the fight to make progress together. They share that passion, they share the excitement for the possible, and they know that it really takes a village. We all have to work together to make this happen. And that enthusiasm and shared vision for the possible is really exciting to see.
I think this event has been a really fantastic blend of different stakeholders in the rare disease community. There are lots of patients and patient foundations represented here. There are technology experts, there are clinical experts, there are basic science research experts, and interestingly, there are regulatory and FDA experts here, which really sort of help foster this sense of unity in how we're actually pulling together all the data and all the science to help get drugs over the threshold and into patients. And to me, that it takes a village kind of mentality. So this meeting is for anyone who's associated with rare diseases or precision medicine.
I'm really thrilled with the quality and the quantity of speakers that we secured for this event. Everyone was so excited to come and share their innovations, and they were so excited to have these conversations and have questions and answers from the audience.
It was really beneficial to hear from Dr. Prasad this morning, the new director for the Center for Biologics at FDA, and really hearing his thought process around drug development, clinical trial designs, endpoints, and his vision for bringing that to the agency. And that was very informative. I believe this is probably one of his first talks. He said he's been at FDA now for about 4 weeks. So being able to hear from him at NORD Scientific Symposium was really informative.
Any young person, any trainee, any postdoc, whatever it might be, who's interested in working on rare diseases needs to be here to know this community, which is really passionate and committed to working on rare diseases, but more importantly, really leading the science in developing the new technologies and the new approaches and the new opportunities for cures for these devastating diseases.
I will go home and recommend this. This is, of course, the first event, primarily for researchers, because that's my primary contact, for them to understand what's going on in the larger rare disease ecosystem, what's going on in terms of regulation, in terms of other conditions. So I think for my fellow clinical researchers, it's going to be very important.
We welcome you to join us in 2026 for NORD's next Rare Disease Scientific Symposium.